Baby duck says, look at me. I found a circle round can be. Roll it here and roll it there. A circle goes everywhere.
Baby kitten jumps with glee, holding a triangle, 1, 2, 3. Pointy corners, 3 straight sides. Triangle fun on shapy rides.
Baby panda claps today. I've got a square, hooray, hooray. 4 same sides, nice and neat. A square is such a shapy treat.
Baby bunny twirls so bright, holding a star that shines at night. Twinkle high and twinkle far. Kids, can you find a star?
Baby poppy brings a heart. Shapes and love go hand in paw. Pink and pretty, sweet and kind. A heart is special, one of a kind. Shapes, shapes, shapes today. Learn with animals as we play. Circle, triangle, square and star. Shapes are fun wherever you are.
Baby animals shout,
Yay, yay, yay!
we learn shapes in a fun new way.
Wave goodbye and clap along.